This is a question from the topic inequalities. It is given P is greater than equals to T, T is greater than R is equals to S, and S is greater than M. This is the statement given, and two conclusions are given. Conclusion 1, T is greater than M, and in conclusion 2, R is less than P, or P is greater to R. And looking at these two conclusions, we have to find the correct option. The first option given, that only conclusion 1 follows. Second one, only conclusion 2 follows. Third one, either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Fourth, neither conclusion 1 or 2 follows. And the last one, both conclusion 1 and 2 follows. Okay. Now what can be done with this type of questions? You see, conclusion number 1, T is greater to M. Yes, T is greater to R and R is equals to S. It means T is greater to S. And if T is greater to S and S is greater than M, okay, S is greater to M and T is greater to S, means T is greater to M. So conclusion 1 is correct. Now look at the conclusion 2. P is greater to R, or R is less than P. P is greater to R. You see, P is greater than equals to T and T is greater to R. It means P is greater to R. Okay. So this conclusion also correct. P is greater to R. Okay. Now, if P is greater to R and T is greater to M, means both conclusions 1 and 2 follows. So this is the option. Look at the question. It is given P less than equals to R, R is less than M, M is equals to N, and N is greater than Q. And two conclusions given, Q is less than M and conclusion 2, M is less to P. Now fit these conclusions in the statements and find which option is the correct one. Conclusion 1 given, M is greater than Q. M is greater than Q. You see logically, N is greater than Q and N is equals to M, means M is greater to Q. So option 1, this is correct. Now you see this one, P is greater to M. P is less than equals to R and R is less than M. So M is greater to R, greater to P. So how can M be less than P? So this is wrong. So only conclusion 1 follows. Look at this question from the inequalities. Statement given, P is equals to M, M is less than R, R is less than equals to T, and T is less than N. Conclusion given, R is less to P and N is equals to P. Now try to fit these two conclusions in the statement given. P is greater to R. P is equals to M and M is less to R. There is no way P is greater to R. In fact, R is greater to P. So this is wrong. N equals to P. This is N, this is P. N is greater than equals to T, greater than T. So come to this. No way, there are different signs in between N and P. Right? So this is also wrong. So only the correct one is neither conclusion 1 nor 2 follows. Now look at this question. It is given from the inequality chapter. K is greater than equals to T, T is equals to M, M is greater than N, N is greater than R. And in conclusion given, K is equals to M, K is greater than M. You see, K is greater than equals to T and T is equals to M. It means K is equals to m, and conclusion to it is given k is greater than m. So both way this can be correct. K can be either greater than m or k can be equals to m. So the option is either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Okay.